Hey, Wayne from ChirpSounds here again. I figured I would just do a couple of videos here while I'm walking to fill you in on a few things. I wanted to drill into some of the features of this thing. One of them, and I'll just kind of go through the way that I have the website, new website set up, which I haven't seen yet. Uncompromising sound quality. It's just absolutely amazing how good these things sound now. Anybody who has heard, and that's not many, there's probably only 15 people that ever heard the old ones, but there was a lot of noise. You know, some from the circuitry, some from the way that it was laid out. Some of the traces on the board were picking up the actual Bluetooth signal, and just had all kinds of problems with that. And when the main chip went end of life, we were forced to fall back and kind of start over and take a different approach. And part of it, in the new system that makes it so good, is the microphone. The engineers sorted through hundreds of different specifications on these things, and by the time they involved me, the list was down to 15 to 20. They actually sent me a bunch of these to try. I tried them all. To my untrained ear, they sounded pretty good, but these guys were adamant that they could make it as good as possible, and we ended up settling on one particular one that is very available. Not the cheapest one out there, but does a fantastic job. It's available, and they took the time to tune the design to make sure that they had the best possible sound, the lowest possible noise. It's called signal to noise ratio, and it's really, really good. I know I keep saying that, but when you hear this, you're just not going to believe it, especially if you tested one of the older ones. So apologize for all the noise. I'm again walking, and I picked a busy street to do this, unfortunately. So that microphone is the one we chose. I sunk it a little bit deeper in the cavity in the housing to protect it from water, and we're doing some things to reduce the noise that don't cover the entire lower part of the outside housing, which was a previous solution to that. And I think everybody's going to be real happy with the way this thing sounds. So just wanted to update you on that. I will get this posted in the next few days. And as always, like, comment below, share it with your friends. You know what to do. Appreciate all of you for hanging out this long, and your patience is going to be rewarded soon, I promise. Thanks, bye.